Hey guys, today just a quick video on how to apply alloy wheel stickers for 1/10 scale touring car rims. These are designed to fit Schumacher Revlites, or if you bought pre-mounted Sorex wheels and tyres, they'll fit the same. They're exactly the same size, so we've got an internal contour cut of 13mm diameter and external of 52, so they'll fit a multitude of different brands. This is a really simple thing to fit that needs no tools whatsoever. These are brand new wheels and tyres out of the packet, so I haven't any need to clean them. If you do need to clean them, you might want to use just some rubbing alcohol to take any solvents or anything nasty off the surface. So they're simply just peel and stick. So I'm going to take this off and I'm just going to line it up by eye. Okay, there we go. I haven't pushed it down yet, it's just resting in place. Now the thing to notice about these rims is they actually have a very slight dish to them. So it's very important that you start applying the sticker from the centre out. So we're just going to do that with my thumb, just quickly, with a bit of pressure from the inside in a spiral to the outside. There we go, there's one. I'll quickly show you another one. So peel, line up, and then with your thumb in a spiral towards the outer rim. Now that one's slightly off centre, so don't panic. Because it's just gone on, we can literally pull it off and reapply. And the reason we go from the inside in a spiral to the outside is to stop any creases. It works perfectly every time. So there we go, no tools required. You can do your whole set literally within a minute. We currently have 6 different designs for sale on www.stickerlicker.co.uk. So you can mount them without the rims, the tyres, straight onto the rim. Or if you bought pre-glued and trued tyres, it's just as easy. And now you have a set of true to life looking alloy rims. We've even got a brake disc and caliper detail on the inside. There's 6 different varieties, as I said, all available on www.stickerlicker.co.uk. We all use these Revlite rims purely because they're nice and strong and they don't break. This allows you to have a nice scale looking model and a proper set of wheels and tyres. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.